This is our first time to really connect everything.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa 5th run-through day ng Team Vida. I'm very excited kasi ngayon napagtatahi-tahi na namin yung mga acts namin. This is our behind the scenes of our Magpasikat for 2024. What's up guys? Today is the last run-through for Team Vida. It's the night before our performance, so hopefully everything runs smoothly tonight. Team Vida stands for Team Vong, Ayon, Darren, Ami. At saka vida-vida din talaga kami in real life. Everything is coming together. We have such a supportive team from Showtime to our coaches. Alright guys, so I have here beside me Clave, which is the younger version of Darren. Yes. Say hi, Clave.
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What's your name?
Stephen po.
Si Stephen ay ang young Ayon. I'm proud of my team kasi ang dami na naming pinagdaanan, mga injuries na pinagdaanan namin. What's it called? The steer wheel slipped and it landed on my wrist. And then I had to get an x-ray. Parte yun ng proseso eh. It's all part of, I don't know, what makes this whole thing better. Like we have to go through the hardships to make this what it will be on the actual performance days.
Excited na makita si Darren para niya i-perform ang isang ring na kung saan ito ay isa sa pinakamahirap na talent dito sa buong Pilipinas.
Nag-isip ako ng konsepto na for 15 years hindi pa nagagawa sa Magpasikat. Lahat nagawa na eh. Lahat ng mensahe na pwede naming malagay sa Magpasikat nagawa na rin. Nag-isip lang akong kakaiba. So nung binuo ko siya, tinawag na yung Team Vida, tapos in-explain na sa mga kasama ko, na ito yung konsepto. Na ang problema ko lang, kailangan aprubahan siyempre ng management kung okay sa kanila. Which is sobrang happy ko kasi nagustuhan, aprubahan. So doon namin pinasok pa yung lalim.
Iba rin yung andar ng isip ni Brad Bong. Iba rin siya. Iba rin yung andar ng isip niya. Malalim din siyang mag-isip. Yung gagawin ko siguro mga pang 2 years ko na kayong paiyakin, madlang people. Ayan, sobrang pag nagawa namin ng buto and malinis, sobrang kukurutin na naman kayo ng performance na to, madlang people. Kaya, Team Vida, hintayin nyo.
Una, natakot ako dun sa mga gagawin ko dahil alam nyo naman, si Chang Ami hindi na bata. Nung nakita ko na yung role ko is isang nanay na may 2 anak, naisip ko maraming magulang ang makaka-relate dun sa kwento, lalo na yung mga single parent, tsaka yung mga struggles din ng mga anak natin na minsan tayo bilang nanay, sometimes nakakalimutan natin, hindi sometimes most of the time, iniisip natin na tayo lang yung pagod na pagod, tayo lang ang nagsasakripisyo, pero hindi natin napapansin na may mga anak din tayo napapagod at willing din na magbigay ng sarili nilang sakripisyo para sa buong family.
This is Kuya Vong's vision for his 15th Magpasikat. This time he wanted to have a different kind of concept.
Yun nga, medyo dark. Siyempre, paano mo nga na maharapin ng death, di ba?
Si Kuya sa Ayon, he's going to be climbing on a steel frame. Tapos sasabit-sabit siya, may mga handstand siyang ginagawa. Bigla siyang lulusot, tapos sasaloy niya sarili niya.
Yung performance actually ni Darren, sabi ko sa kanya, alam ng tao magaling kang sumayaw, alam ng tao magaling kang kumanta, alam ng tao magaling kang umarte. Pero gusto ko may pakita kang bago.
Excited ako syempre sa mga Darrenatics na makakapanood. Hindi pa nila nakita to ever from me. Ako mismo, first time ko lang eh. So, it's magpasikat day for Team Vida. I'm so over it. Gusto ko lang ay ma-execute namin ng tama yung performance namin at sana'y magustuhan ng madlang people.
Or 8 minutes and 4 seconds to go. I don't know. Parang because of the run yesterday, natuto kong dapat hindi mataragda. So just a lot of deep breaths. So kanina sa final run, I just took my time. Yun talaga, I took my time, did everything very slowly. Tapos mas maganda yung pinalabasan niya. So gano'n lang din dapat mindset lang. Mindset. Kinakabahan ako.
Ang Team Vida.
Oras nyo na para tumuntong sa mundo ng Team Vida!
Alright guys, today's the day. It is Saturday. And today's announcement day will note who won Magpasikat this year. But for me, it's like, I don't know, it feels different. Parang we didn't do a contest. It just feels like hindi siya competition. Para siyang nag-enjoy lang kami. Alright guys, I'm here with Ate Ann and she gave me something from Dahlia. What is this?
Yeah, so this morning, Dahlia said she has something down for her Kuya Darren. Because when we were rehearsing for Magpasikat, it was one of the first few times that Dahlia came to the studio, ABS-CBN studio. When she first saw her Kuya Darren, she said, "Mama, he's so handsome." And then when we got home, ayan, she did something for Kuya Darren. She told me to give it to him. So, ayan, kasama na si Kuya Darren sa family namin. Mama, Papa, Darren, and this is her and Kuya Darren daw. And Kuya Darren and Dahlia.
Thank you, Dahlia. Love you, Dahlia. Amazing.
Happy anniversary, baby boy.
Thank you po. Salamat. Thank you, Dahlia.
So proud of you always, all the time. Since day one ka sa Showtime, sobra akong masaya. At first, Magpasikat muna, hindi ka hurado, grabe. Total performer.
Ang galing ni Darren. Worth it yung CT scan. Tsaka yung battle scars.
Sabi ko kay Darren, talagang kita-kita sa kanya yung dedication at talagang marami pa siyang pwedeng pakita.
For Darren, I think this is his first time. We're very happy na naging kasama ko siya sa team na to. Baptism of fire for Darren.
Guys actually saw it live. You wouldn't think he just learned it in a few days. So that boy is special. That boy is talented. Darren, saludo ako sa'yo.
That's a wrap on Magpasikat 2024!